Encourage nature with Osmocote, the pioneer in controlled release fertilizers. Osmocote fertilizers have special coatings that enable gradual nutrient release. Each granule is covered with an organic resin coating that regulates the daily release of nutrients. A granule contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and all essential trace elements. When water penetrates the granule coating, a process starts that dissolves the nutrients. Osmotic pressure releases the nutrients through the coating. Influenced by temperature, the nutrients are released at a constant and controlled rate during the longevity. When all nutrients are released, the resin coating breaks down. Osmocote fertilizers guarantee the best results: vital, healthy, and top-class crops. It's the best return on investment for your business. Naturally, Osmocote.